again.
Oh wow, check out these cool vehicles. Let's put the drivers to the right car.
Okay.
This person wears a helmet, has a flashlight, and safety gear on. Do you know what car they drive?
A fire truck.
That's right, a fire truck. Let's put the driver in the red fire truck. This driver has glasses and keys. What car do they drive?
Taxi.
That's right, a taxi. Let's put the driver in the yellow taxi. This driver wears overalls, has a walkie-talkie, safety boots, and safety hats. What car do they drive?
Bulldozer.
That's right, the Bulldozer. Let's put the driver in the yellow Bulldozer. This driver has a stethoscope and gloves in their pocket. What car do they drive?
Ambulance.
That's right, an ambulance. Let's put the driver in the white and blue ambulance. This driver wears a green hat, a safety vest with a recycling sign on it. What car do they drive?
Recycling truck.
That's right, the recycling truck. Let's put the driver in the green recycling truck. Now let's count the cars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Thanks for watching.
Just so watching.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye bye.